Today I'm talking about the drip tray replacements that you can simply use, clean, and keep using. I got a pack here. Or you could just simply use the tray as it is, which I do not advise to do, because here is what happens when you do just that. Mine's actually really hot because I just pulled it off. And you can see all that sludge in there. And if you want to clean that every single time, go ahead and be my guest. I'm not looking forward to it. It's been sitting out for a day. Ugh, disgusting. But what you can do is use these trays, slide them in, and then you can remove them every time and discard them, or like I do, I clean them. I actually take them out and I wash them and clean them, and as long as they stay intact, you can keep using them. So these will last a very long time, and it's a very good way to keep your griddle fresh and without all this muck that I have right here, and it's just disgusting. I'm not looking forward to cleaning that. So highly recommend you check these out. As you can see right now, I'm also seasoning the griddle, which is why it's hot and all smoky. It's the griddle cast iron seasoning. And I'll catch you in the next video.